I think people were very happy when they saw what the cinema is when it opened, and the idea of keeping it up to date and making it something that can really serve the public in terms of showing films that are popular right now. I'm Susie Purvis. I'm the executive director of the Pickford Film Center. The building was purchased in 2004, and then the space was completed and opened in 2011. The people who made this building possible was the staff at the time, Alice Clark, who was the executive director, Michael Falter, who was the program director, Ryan Uhorn, who was and still is the operations director. All had a very hands-on relationship with getting this building done. In this space, it was very important to everybody working on it, not only that there be 2 cinemas and 2 screens here, but that the lobby could accommodate a large number of people for receptions or just hanging out or club meetings, and it could basically be a downtown living room. And people are welcome here to come in and buy some popcorn and not see a movie, or have a glass of wine with their book club. The entire organization from the board down is very involved in our position as a citizen business of downtown. The alliances and the way we structure our programming are very connected with our neighbors and trying to attract people downtown. There's just a lot of things going on that have to do with being a center for the community rather than just a cinema. This building was built as a retail space at the turn of the 20th century. It has very high ceilings. It has a mezzanine with windows across so you can look down at what's going on what used to be the sales floor. It's fantastic to be able to have saved the facade. It's just a beautiful part of Bellingham. Bellingham is a big movie town. People love movies. They love documentaries. They love foreign films. They love Judi Dench. And to be able to show a wide variety of films to the public is very important.